The next question. Magnus has to play 15 games of chess in a chess tournament. At some point during the tournament, he won half of the games he played and lost 1/3 of the games. And 2 were a draw. How many games has Magnus still to play in this tournament? So let's say out of the 15, he still has to play 2 games. That means he has finished 13 games, right? Now, is 13 divisible by 2? No. And he cannot win 6.5 games, right? That means this option won't work. Let's look at 15 plus 3. 3 plus what is 15? 12. 12 is divisible by 2. He won 6 games, right? And he lost. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So an L on the 4th game. And then there were 2 draws, right? That means 6 plus 4 plus 2, which gives us 12. That means he still has 3 games to play. So he at least needs to win a game or two to